5 free AI image generators, 1 prompt, only 1 winner. Let's get started. Today, I'll test all 5 AI tools using the exact same prompt. Tool 1, Google AI Studio. Our first contestant is Google AI Studio. Open Google Chrome. Search for Google AI Studio. Open the official website. Click on the Get Started button. Accept the agreement. Click Continue. Now, we're inside Google AI Studio. From the left sidebar, select Playground. Click Image Generation. Choose Nano Banana 2 Lite. This model is completely free. Paste the image prompt into the prompt box. Click the Run button. Let's wait for the result. Our image is ready. Download the image. Open it. The colors look beautiful. The details are impressive, but don't decide yet. We still have 4 AI tools left. Tool 2, Leonardo AI. Now, let's test Leonardo AI. Open Google Chrome. Search for Leonardo AI. Open the official website. Click Start. Sign in with your Google account. From the left menu, select Image Generation. Choose the 16:9 image size. Paste exactly the same prompt. Click Generate. Let's see the result. Our image is ready. Download it. Open the image. This one looks incredibly realistic. But let's continue. Tool 3, Ideogram AI. Our third contestant is Ideogram AI. Open Google Chrome. Search for Ideogram AI. Open the official website. Click Log In. Choose Continue with Google. Select your Google account. Click Continue. Scroll down page. Click Continue. Now, select Personal from menu and Continue. Now select the free plan and click on it. Get started. Select the 16:9 image size. Paste the same prompt without any changes. Click the Generate button. 4 different images are created. I'll choose the best one. Download it. Open the image. Interesting result. Let's move to the next AI. Tool 4, Gemini. Now it's Gemini's turn. Open the official website. Paste the same prompt. Click the Send button. Let's wait. Our image is ready. Download it. open the image. This one looks surprisingly good, but we still have one final contestant. Tool 5, ChatGPT. So our final contestant is ChatGPT. Open Google Chrome, search for ChatGPT. Open the official website. Sign in with your Google account. Complete the login process. Step by step, follow me. Now, paste the same prompt into the prompt box. Click the send button. Let's see what ChatGPT creates. Our image is ready. Download it. Open the image. This result looks amazing. Now, it's time for the final comparison. All 5 images are now ready. Now, it's your turn. Which image is your favorite? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next AI Masterclass.